There's a good chance today that some website, app, or service that you tried to use today was down. That's following an outage from Amazon Web Services. Mackenzie Sigalos joins us now with more on what exactly happened. Hi, Mac.
Hey, Morgan. So more than 11 million users have now reported problems, and the count is still rising as this AWS outage drags on. Now, the trouble stems from Amazon's Northern Virginia region.
There was a major outage on Monday with Amazon in their biggest used region. This was on Monday, October 20th. I woke up getting phone calls, alerts saying that everything that we were doing was down. Users could not access the application, and I was like, what in the world is going on? Jumped on a call to find out that Amazon was having issues, which sounds like unbelievable. That we had CrowdStrike last year where companies, like where airlines were grounded, the government wasn't working, and now about a little bit over a year later, Amazon has a major outage in their biggest region, causing applications all over not to work. We're going to jump in today to learn more about that. Let's continue watching this video.
That's its oldest and busiest cloud hub, still the default for countless apps and platforms. This is the same data center complex that Amazon has leaned on for years, where many major platforms first set up shop. This hub has seen multiple disruptions over the past 5 years. Now, AWS says it is making progress fixing the internal network failures that triggered all this, and we are starting to see service disruptions come back down. Cyber experts also stressing this is not a hack, but it is another reminder of the risks that come with centralized cloud infrastructure. Despite growing pressure from Microsoft Azure and Google Cloud, AWS still controls more than a third of the global market. Investor sentiment was already shaky heading into earnings, with AWS battling margin compression and a backlog trailing Microsoft and Oracle. This outage does not help. The question now is, does Amazon raise its $118 billion annual CapEx commitment next week to bulk up its data centers, expand compute, and potentially chase more AI demand? Guys?
You said it was a vibe.